This one is called I'm Sticking With You Too. Wherever you are going, I'm going too. We fit together, just me and you. We are perfectly tuned, we just get along. We make merry music, we sing the same song. Hey, what you doing? I will like to play. Yes, well, you can't, so please go away. But this looks like fun. I'm really good. Hmm, we really don't think that you should. Come on, please, please. This so isn't fair. Well, it's not up to me. It's up to Bear. Go on, just once. Just one teeny go. Well, I would say yes, but Squirrel says no. Hello, how's it going? Hello, only me. Hello, there you are. Hello, cup of tea? I'm just over here. Down here as well. And yup, also me. Couldn't you tell? Look, chicken, we are sorry. You are perfectly sweet, but you don't have the rhythm. You don't have the beat. Plus, your struts out of step. Your cluck's much too loud. And two is just perfect. But three is a crowd. Well, if that's how you feel, I will go my own way. I will find a new crowd who want me to stay. Who will welcome me in? And call me their mate, who will really and truly think that I am great. Don't worry, Squirrel, everyone knows. We weren't being mean, that's just how it goes. I know you are right, Bear. I quite understand. We have only got room for two in our band. We can't be a three. I mean, come on. Hello? Three doesn't fit. It just doesn't go. We are a pair. That's how we stick. Hey, wait a minute. Wait, that's our chick. What's a pair of silly old twits? Why couldn't we see that more than two fits? Some things work out when we do them together. Two can be good, but three can be better. Three is a team. Three is a pack. Three means don't worry, we have got your back. Three can be messy, but why should we care? Three has got style. Three has got flair. Sometimes we will get our tune in a tangle, our notes in a knot, our jam in a jangle. But though quarrels can shake us and threaten to break us. They will never, they will never, they will never unmake us. Because we fit together like beats of a drum, like the chorus of notes in the chords that you strum, like the tooth of the tune that makes your toe tappy, like the la 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 that makes your heart happy. We have make our own music. We have nothing to prove. We do our own thing and find our own groove because we know you can flap your own feathers and sing your own song. When you know in your heart that you truly belong. Good night. I'm sticking to you in your dreams. Sweet dreams.